Hello everyone, welcome back to English Pro. यो हाम्रो day 5 हो. Today we will practice 100 daily sentences. Real life speaking, easy English र Nepali meaning. If you practice these, you can speak English at home easily. Okay, so let's start. म चाँडै उठ्छु. म चाँडै उठ्छु. I wake up early. I wake up early. म दाँत माझ्छु. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. म मुख धुन्छु. I wash my face. I wash my face. म नुहाउँछु. I take a bath. I take a bath. म तयार हुन्छु. I get ready. I get ready. म लुगा लगाउँछु. I wear clothes. I wear clothes. म चिया पिउँछु. I drink tea. I drink tea. म बिहानको खाना खान्छु. I eat breakfast. I eat breakfast. म नास्ता गर्छु भन्नु पर्यो भने. म बाहिर जान्छु. I go outside. I go outside. म ढोका खोल्छु. I open the door. I open the door. म झ्याल बन्द गर्छु. I close the window. I close the window. म मेरो कोठा सफा गर्छु. I clean my room. I clean my room. म मेरो ओछ्यान मिलाउँछु. I make my bed. I make my bed. म फोन जाँच गर्छु. I check my phone. I check my phone. म समाचार पढ्छु. I read the news. I read the news. म सङ्गीत सुन्छु. I listen to music. I listen to music. म परिवारलाई मद्दत गर्छु. I help my family. I help my family. म आमा बुवासँग कुरा गर्छु. I talk to my parents. I talk to my parents. म मेरो दिनको योजना बनाउँछु. I plan my day. I plan my day. म मेरो दिन सुरु गर्छु. I start my day. I start my day. म खाना पकाउँछु. I cook food. I cook food. म पानी उमाल्छु. I boil water. I boil water. म तरकारी काट्छु. I cut vegetables. I cut vegetables. म भाँडा धुन्छु. I wash dishes. I wash dishes. म खाना पस्कन्छु. I serve food. I serve food. म भात खान्छु. I eat rice. I eat rice. म पानी पिउँछु. I drink water. I drink water. म चिया बनाउँछु. I make tea. I make tea. म नुन हाल्छु. I add salt. I add salt. म खाना चाख्छु. I taste food. I taste food. खाना मिठो छ. The food is tasty. The food is tasty. खाना तातो छ. The food is hot. The food is hot. मलाई भोक लाग्यो. I feel hungry. I feel hungry. मलाई पेट भरिएको महसुस भइरहेको छ. I feel full. I feel full. अथवा म अघाएँ भन्नु पर्यो. मेरो पेट भरियो भन्नु पर्यो. I feel full. मलाई पानी देऊ. Give me water. Give me water. एउटा प्लेट ल्याऊ. Bring a plate. Bring a plate. बसेर खानुस् वा बस र खाऊ. Sit and eat. Sit and eat. बिस्तारै खाऊ. Eat slowly. Eat slowly. खाना खेर नफाल. Don't waste food. Don't waste food. टेबल सफा गर. Clean the table. Clean the table. यहाँ आऊ, come here, come here. त्यहाँ जाऊ, go there, go there. बस, sit down, sit down. उभिऊ, उभिऊ भन्नु पर्यो, stand off. मेरो कुरा सुन, listen to me, listen to me. मलाई हेर, look at me, look at me. यहाँ पर्ख, wait here, wait here. छिटो गर, hurry up, hurry up. ढिला नगर, don't be late, don't be late. होशियार बन, be careful, be careful. म थाकेको छु, I am tired, I am tired. म व्यस्त छु, I am busy, I am busy. म फुर्सदमा छु, म खाली छु बोल्नु पर्यो, I am free, I am free. म खुसी छु, I am happy, I am happy. म दुखी छु, I am sad, I am sad. म तयार छु, I am ready, I am ready. जाऊ, let's go, let's go. मसँग आऊ, come with me, come with me. यहाँ बस, stay here, stay here. मलाई फोन गर, call me, call me. म बजार जान्छु, I go to the market, I go to the market. म तरकारी किन्छु, I buy vegetables, I buy vegetables. यो कति पर्छ? How much is this? How much is this? यो महँगो छ. It is expensive, it is expensive. यो सस्तो छ. It is cheap, it is cheap. 1 किलो देऊ, give me 1 kilo, give me 1 kilo. मलाई यो चाहिन्छ, I need this, I need this. मलाई त्यो देखाऊ, show me that, show me that. मलाई यो मन पर्छ, I like this, I like this. मलाई यो मन पर्दैन, I don't like this, I don't like this. म पैसा तिर्छु, I pay money, I pay money. बाँकी पैसा राख, keep the change, keep the change. फेरि आऊ, come again, come again. एकछिन पर्ख, wait a moment, wait a moment. म आउँदैछु, I am coming, I am coming. म जाँदैछु, I am going, I am going. तिमी कहाँ जाँदैछौ? Where are you going? Where are you going? तिमी किन ढिला भयो? Why are you late? Why are you late? तिमी के गर्दैछौ? What are you doing? What are you doing? ऊ को हो? Who is he? Who is he? तिमी कस्तो छौ? How are you? How are you? म ठिक छु, I am fine, I am fine. तिम्रो नाम के हो? What is your name? What is your name? मेरो नाम राम हो. My name is Ram. My name is Ram. तिमीलाई भेटेर खुसी लाग्यो. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. तिमी कहाँ बस्छौ? Where do you live? Where do you live? म बुटवलमा बस्छु. I live in बुटवल. I live in बुटवल. तिमी के गर्छौ? What do you do? What do you do? म अफिसमा काम गर्छु. I work in an office. I work in an office. के तिमी अङ्ग्रेजी बोल्छौ? Do you speak English? Do you speak English? हो म बोल्छु. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. होइन म बोल्दिनँ बोल्नु पर्यो. No, I don't. No, I don't. मलाई मद्दत गर. Please help me. Please help me. धन्यवाद. Thank you. Thank you. स्वागत छ. You are welcome. You are welcome. माफ गर्नुहोस्. Excuse me. Excuse me. माफ गर्नुहोस्. Sorry. Sorry. समस्या छैन. No problem. No problem. पछि भेटौँला. See you later. See you later. ध्यान राख. Take care. Take care. So, okay. Today you learned 100 daily sentences. Now you can speak English in real life. Practice every day. Tomorrow we will learn present simple tense. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe English Pro. See you in day 6. Thank you so much for watching.